So this is Methylene Blue by LiveGood, and I've been using this for a few months now and I absolutely love it. I like it for its neurotropic effects, anti-aging focus. It helps me with my overall well-being. So it comes in this box of 15 strips. They're like your Listerine strips. They're dissolvable. It's not drops or tablets or anything like that. They're actually dissolvable strips. So it has 15 in a box. That's a 30-day supply because it says to take one every other day, 20 milligrams per strip. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It says right here that it's anti-aging neurotropic. It enhances memory, protects brain cell health, supports positive mood, and improves brain function. So I really like it overall. I feel like it's been helping me. And let me show you what it looks like. This is what the package looks like. And let me just go ahead and open it. So inside you see the strip. It looks like one of those dissolvable strips. Where I see people with this big blue tongue and teeth, and I don't like that. Yeah, it might look cool to some people, but for me, it's not something I want to go around looking like. So I prefer to just fold it in half, and I prevent that whole blue tongue thing. I fold it in half, fold it again, and fold it one more time. It has a hint of a mint taste. You can't really taste it too much, especially the way I use it. So what I do is I set it to the back of my tongue. Chase with water. I have that blue square in the back, but it's gonna be gone in like 2 hours. So I get the benefits of it, but I don't have that residual blue tongue that you may see people with. And what I like about it is that it's convenient. I travel with it, and I like the benefits of it. So if you're looking for a really good way to get Methylene Blue into your routine without the big blue tongue, and that's convenient and travels well, check this one out because it really works well for me and I am very pleased with it.